Hello, Mike the Boilerman here. Here's another quick video. I changed the fan on a Range Powermax boiler the other day. The Range Powermax is quite well known for a fairly noisy fan. Makes a rather loud grinding noise. They all do this when they get a bit old, and it's just quite remarkable what a difference the new fan made. So I took a video before changing the fan, then I took a second video after jury rigging a new fan in place to see if the customer was happy with the reduction in noise in return for the cost of the new fan, which they were. And here are the two videos. So to start with, here is the original fan that had been in the boiler for 20 years running. And here is the replacement fan running, significantly quieter, with that annoying whine completely gone. So there we are. That's the difference between an old fan and a new fan in a Range Powermax boiler. Okay, thanks for watching. If you need your Range Powermax fixing, I keep a full stock of spares in the van and generally fix them in one visit if yours is packed up. Details below. I'm Mike the Boilerman. My website is miketheboilerman.com, or you can call or text me on 07866 766 364. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.